You are what I waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. Oh, 'cause you are my one love, one love. And then I say lies, you're the one in my heart, my heart. You make me feel alive, I feel crazy when you make me smile, smile. Feel like
Hi guys!
Welcome to the channel.
Today we're going to do a video of Butlins Bognor Regis Fairground.
Yeah, that's it. You're not going to get us talking through this one. We're just going to let you enjoy all the fun of the fair. So we'll check out the rides and we'll see you at the end.
stay, don't you go. You make my every cell flow, my every breath slow and calm. Yeah, that's how you make me feel I'm yours. You bring me up when I hear only radio static. Play me a song on repeat, on repeat. Right now, you hit me like chemicals. I doubt I'm ever gonna let you go. To come down feels like a bitter antidote. Never let go, never let go. No. Right now, hit me like chemicals. Right now, never gonna let you go. To come down, like a bitter antidote, Never let go, never let go. Never let go, never let go. Never let go, never let go. Hey, don't you know, we all need someone to love, need someone to make it feel like home. You make me feel I'm home. You bring me up when I hear only radio static. Play me a song on repeat. You hit me like right now, you hit me like chemicals. I doubt I'm ever gonna let you go. To come down feels like a bitter antidote. Never let go, never let go. No. Right now, you hit me like chemicals. I doubt I'm ever gonna let you go. To come down feels like a bitter antidote. Right now, hit me like chemicals. Right now, never gonna let you go. To come down like a bitter antidote. Never let go. Never let go, never let go. No. Right now, you hit me like chemicals. I doubt I'm ever gonna let you go. To come down feels like a bitter antidote. Never let go, never let go. Right now, hit me like chemicals. Right now, never gonna let you go. To come down like a bitter antidote. Never let go, never let go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
And just like that, we're back here again, and we're just showing you around all of the rides at Butlins Bognor.
There's a really good selection of rides at this one. So
Yeah, exactly that, yeah, and they're all included as part of the price you break as well.
absolutely. So if you have liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.
Yeah, and also drop a comment down below. Have you been to Butlins Bognor? If you have any questions about Butlins Bognor, pop it down and we'll try and get back to you.
Thanks so much for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.